Welcome to the Riskwiser Zone. I'm your host, Louis. Today, we're going to dive into two intriguing stories that have caught my attention in the world of finance. First off, let's talk about Rocket Lab's potential big rebound. Analysts are suggesting that the recent dip in their stock price might just be a gift for investors. With a strong sentiment surrounding the company and solid execution, it seems that Rocket Lab may be entering the early stages of its next move. The successful debut of Neutron in early 2026 and the potential SDA contract materializing could be the catalysts that validate Rocket Lab's long-term roadmap and further reinforce its growing role within the rapidly expanding space economy. On the other hand, we have a bull case theory for Rocket Companies, Inc. The acquisition of Redfin seems to be paying off, with integration results exceeding expectations. The share of Redfin homebuyers obtaining a Rocket mortgage has more than doubled, and management expects this figure to surpass 20% within the next 18 months. Additionally, Rocket's home equity loan volumes have doubled year over year, which could position the company favorably to capture strong demand over the next 2 years. Now, it's essential to remember that both of these stories come with their own set of risks and uncertainties. As investors, it's crucial to approach these opportunities with a balanced perspective, considering both the potential upside and downside. We'll continue to monitor these developments and provide you with updates and insights to help you make informed decisions. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're continuing our discussion on the latest market trends and developments. In our previous segment, we touched on the growing interest in alternative investments. Now, let's dive into a story that highlights the complexities of investing in cryptocurrency-related assets. BlackRock's IBIT Bitcoin ETF has seen a record $2.7 billion outflow, sparking concerns about the stability of the crypto market. This significant withdrawal comes as investors reassess their risk tolerance and adjust their portfolios amidst market volatility. The outflow is also attributed to the recent rebound in the stock market, which may have led some investors to shift their focus away from cryptocurrencies. To put this into perspective, the IBIT Bitcoin ETF has been a popular choice for investors looking to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly holding the cryptocurrency. However, the recent outflow suggests that investors are becoming increasingly cautious about the crypto market's prospects. The ETF's performance is closely tied to the price of Bitcoin, which has experienced significant fluctuations in recent months. It's essential for investors to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies and related assets carries inherent risks. Market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and liquidity concerns can all impact the value of these investments. As such, it's crucial for investors to conduct thorough research, set clear goals, and develop a well-diversified investment strategy to mitigate potential losses. In contrast, BlackRock's shares have attempted to recover from their October lows, with the stock facing key technical tests in the coming days. The company's ability to navigate the challenging market environment will be closely watched by investors and analysts alike. As we continue to monitor the developments in the crypto market, it's clear that investors must remain vigilant and adapt to changing market conditions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay informed and make informed decisions about your investments. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. As we wrap up today's show, let's take a look at some of the latest news from the world of finance. We've got a few interesting stories to share with you, so bear with us. First off, it seems like Jim Cramer is bullish on FedEx, calling it a coiled spring and predicting a good run for the company. He believes that with the recent macro rally and the lack of disappointing e-commerce stories, FedEx is set up for success. Cramer even went as far as to say that he thinks the stock will go all the way back over 300. But that's not all. We've also got some news about Northrop Grumman and Eaton Corporation. According to recent analyses, both companies have shown promising signs of growth and stability, with Northrop Grumman benefiting from its wide economic moat and disciplined capital returns, and Eaton Corporation demonstrating strong profitability and effective capital allocation. And finally, let's talk about AI stocks. While some investors are excited about the potential for huge returns, others are more cautious. We've seen reports of certain AI stocks having 10,000% upside potential, but it's essential to approach these claims with a critical eye. As always, it's crucial to do your research and consider multiple perspectives before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep your finances in check.